Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we discussed about what NG Toaster is. Today, in this video, I will be showing a demo on how to use NG Toaster in our Angular application. For the demo purpose, I am going to use an online editor. For that, we have Stackdix. This can be helpful for doing small POC work in Angular, React, Ionic, etc. It could be very handy to show demo purpose or a POC kind of thing, a small projects that we can do online for study purpose. So, without wasting time, we can directly jump into our demo real quick. This is the repo or the project I have created for you for the demo. Here, I have already made some template so that our main focus will be on showing the demo on NG Toaster. Here, if you see, we have 4 buttons, one to display success, info, error, and warning message on clicking these buttons. Firstly, we will go to the NPM documentation for NGX Toaster. If you scroll down for the installation or the environment setup, we need to first install or add the NGX Toaster library to our Angular application. For that, we can make use of this command npm install ngx toaster -- save. This -- save is to add the library to our dependencies in package.json. Since we are using an online editor, here it is something different. So what we need to do is we need to copy this package name and paste it here, and clicking enter, it will add the dependencies to the project or the repo which we are using now. So currently I have already added the NGX Toaster to this project. Let's check what's the next step. So next step is to add the corresponding CSS into our application. So we need to copy and paste this in the style.css or the global styling file, that is the style.scss here. So just like we did it for Angular material, we need to import the corresponding style that is required for showing the toaster message. So I have added that as well. Let's check what's the next. The step 2 is to import this toaster module into our root application module, or the module in which we are trying to use this NGX Toaster. So in this, we have only one module. In this particular project, we have only one module, that is the app module. So we need to import this toaster module. And also, it is mentioning like we need to also import browser animation module for the animation purpose. Let's do that now. So go to the app module.ts. Here I have already imported the browser animation module. So now we need to just import the toaster module. So we can copy this piece of line and paste it here. Now we need to import this to the root of our module. So we need to mention it as .for root. We'll format the document again. Okay, so the code looks clean. Now we have imported the toaster module as well. Now the next step is to use the toaster service provided by NGX Toaster. To display the notification or message, we make use of the toaster service. For that, we need to import the toaster in the component which we need. So here I am trying to explain or show you the demo in the app component itself. So here I will import the toaster service, then I will inject it in the constructor. So I am injecting this in the constructor. So now the toaster service is ready ready in our component to use. Okay, so first initially we will show a success message. For that, we can use this instance of the toaster service, and there is a function called success where we can pass the title and the message. Also, if some configuration or option, we can pass as third argument. Okay, so let's check. So in the success message, I am making use of this toaster instance. Here we have several functions, so we'll make use of the success as we need to display the success message. And what we can do, we can give a meaningful title and a message. So for that, I'm using this. I have already a snippet here. Formatting. So here, on clicking the success button, I will have a message, login message. Here the title will be login and the message will be your login is success. And I have given a timeout of 2 seconds or 2000 milliseconds. So what happens is, once the message is displayed, it will be there only for 2 seconds. After that, it closes. So I will save this and we can see the demo. So on clicking this show success message, you can see a toaster message coming up and it's getting automatically closed after 2 seconds. Likewise, we can do to show an information message, error message and warning message. So for time being, I am removing this console messages from each functions. Okay. And I am copying and pasting the snippet that I already have. So I have added the corresponding messages on clicking the error button, the warning button, show warning button, and also show info button. So in the HTML, on click, I am calling these 4 functions, and in the function, I am defining the code to show the corresponding messages. One success, info, error, and warning. So if I click the show info button, you can see the data updated correctly, and the title is registration. Okay. Now, if I click the error, your login failed, please check, and show warning, sign up. So if we hover message and then the title, it should be. So what we can do, we can copy this and paste it before the first argument. Similarly, we can copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here. We will check again. So on clicking success, the title, then the message, and it will close after 2 seconds. Show info, the title, registration, and then the message. Also, if you see, once the toaster message is shown, and when I click the content there on the message which is displayed, it closes. That is the default behavior of NGX toaster. Now in the coming videos, we will customize this functionality. There are several options available. We'll look into each one by one. So one option is the timeout that we have set to 2 seconds. Now we'll see all these options that are available in detail in the coming videos. Thank you. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel and also share across your friend. Don't forget to click the like button below. Thank you. Thank you so much.